Hey, this is Ninja for cello. What we're going to do is we are going to pizzicato and sing through parts of it, then go back and bow. So we're starting at the beginning, which is actually pizzicato, and we're going to go from the beginning to 12. So start on B, 1 and 2, and here we go. B, 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 A, B, rest, shh, rest. B, 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 A, F sharp, rest, shh, rest. G, 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 A, G, rest. G, 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 E, G, rest. B, 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 F sharp, B, rest, shh, go on. F, 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 bow lift, good. Okay, now we're going to go back to the beginning. We're going to put the quarter note at 70, 72. I'm going to have my bow in my hand while I pluck because I have to switch quickly and measure 9 to bowing. 1, 2, beginning to 12, go. Shh. Shh. Rest. Shh. Rest. Bow lift, end. Good. So now we're going to go from 12 down to 20. For this part, I can go ahead and put my bow down for right now while I pluck, because we're going to pluck and sing. 1, 2, pluck and sing 12. B, 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 A, 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 D, 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 E, 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 B, 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 A, 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 B, B, F, E, F, A, G, 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 F, 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 E, E, G, G, A, A, B, B, G, 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 F, F, E, E, D, D, E, E, F. So now I'm going to go back and isolate just to measure 15. We have B, B, F, E, F, A. And it's that F, E, F, A that's a little tricky. So let's try those 4 notes again. F, E, F, A. Again, go. Little faster, here we go. Faster, ready, here we go. Faster, ready, here we go. 3 more times, go. 2 more times, go. 1 more time, go. Now add the BB. Ready, end. Again, go. Again, go. Last time, go. Okay, now we're going to go from 12 to 20 with our bow. 1 and 2 and measure 12. Here we go. Nice job. Now we're going to go from 20 down to the end of 29. So you start off with some rests, and then you pizzicato and say huh. So 20, ready, here we rest. Rest, 2, 3, 4. B, 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 huh. Rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 huh. Rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 huh. Rest, ready, go. E, D, E, F, G, bow lift. G, F, G, A, B, D, B, A, B, A, F, rest, rest. F. Now if I were you, I would go back to 26 and I would practice those notes slowly. So the E, D, E, F, G, E, D, E, F, G, bow lift. Again, ready, go. E, D, E, F, G, again, go. E, D, E, F, G, again, go. E, D, E, F, G, again, go. Now the next part, G, F, G, A, B, D, B, A, B, A, F. Again from the G, F, G, A. Ready, go. G, F, G, A, B, D, B, A, B, A, F. Again, ready, G, F, G, A. Okay, now go back to measure 26. E, D, E, F, G. See if you can play from there to the end of the line. Ready? 26, E, D, go. Bow lift. Rest, rest. Good. Let's add the metronome and go to 20. Measure 20 and rest, 2, 3, 4. Ha. Rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha. Rest, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha. Rest, here we go. Bow lift. Rest, rest. Good. The next part, measure 30 to 41, was on your concert prep sheet, so you should know it by now. Let's go ahead and just play it with our bow. Ready? Measure 30. Here we go. B, B, D, B, B, D, B, A, F, A, B, B, D, B, B, D, B, A, F, E, F. Bow lift. E, E, D, E, E, G, A, G, E, G, A, G, E, G, A, G, E, G, A, G, E, G, F. Measure 40, go. Good. Now, in the performance, you would then go back to measure 20 because it's a DSL sign, so you go where the little curvy S thing is. And you would play from 20 until the end of 29 where it says to coda. And the coda is the one that kind of looks like the circle with the cross through it. So we're going to go through the coda now. The coda is a mix of arco and pizzicato, but we're going to pizzicato and sing all of the coda. So find measure 42. Ready? First finger B, here we go. Behold, behold, B, B, E, F, G, A, B, 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 E, F, G, A, B, bow lift, B, A, then you pluck, B, A, B, 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 A, B, rest, shh, rest, B, 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 A, B, rest, shh, F, B, rest, shh, F, B, rest, B, rest, B, get your bow, F, F, E, 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 ha, F, B. Now let's bow all the coda, or at least do it as it's playing. When you pluck, you're going to hold your bow in your hand, you're not going to put it down. Measure 42, the coda. 1, 2, coda, go. Bow lift. Now you pluck. Rest. Shh. Rest. Rest. Shh. Shh. short bow. Ha. And that is all of Ninja. Go through and then make sure you can practice with the recordings.